Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make tikoy. Narito ang mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng 3/4 cup condensed milk, 1/4 cup white sugar, 2 cups glutinous rice flour, 1 1/4 cup of water, crushed roasted nuts for coating, and peanut butter for filling. Ito naman ang mga procedures. First, ibuwas ang flour sa isang bowl. Next, i-mix natin ng white sugar. Then, ilagay na natin ang condensed milk. At ganoon na din yung nakahanda nating tubig. At pagkatapos ay haluin natin ito hanggang sa matunaw ang flour at lumapot ng texture. We're just gonna continue to whisk until the flour dissolves. Now we have a perfect batter. I-set aside lang muna natin ito. Mag-ready naman tayo ng lalagyan or foil tray at patungan ito ng plastic wrap. Make sure maayos ang pagkalagay at walang butas. Now we can pour the butter into the tray. I'm also gonna do the same thing. So, nilagyan ko ng plastic wrap yung foil tray. Ngayon naman, ilagay natin ito sa steamer pot. And then, i-steam natin ito ng about 25 to 30 minutes in a medium heat. Habang ginagawa ko yung butter kanina, nagpainit na rin pala ako ng tubig. Lagyan lang natin ng tela yung takip para hindi tumulo yung wet steam sa niluluto. I'm gonna crush the roasted nuts using the blender. And we're gonna use it later for the coating. After that, ilagay natin siya sa isang plate. And then i-spread natin kasi dito natin i-roll mamaya yung ating tikoy. After 25 minutes, chinek ko na yung ating steam at luto na siya. So, gawin na natin yung next step. Alisin natin siya sa foil and then ilipat natin sa isang flat surface. And after that, we cover it with a cling wrap. Then flatten it, just like what I'm doing. And then we remove the cling wrap. And Now, we're gonna put the filling, which is the peanut butter. And I'm now rolling it. As you can see, it's kinda sticky, so basahin nyo lang ng konti yung kamay nyo para hindi siya dumikit. And then we're gonna roll it in our crushed nuts. And finally, here you go, our finished product, homemade tikoy. Tastes good. Try nyo rin.